How to find autoplay settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find autoplay settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now just click these three lines here in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here click media, and then here you will find it. Just scroll down, you will find here autoplay, and you can manage here anything you want. You can make it for Wi-Fi only, and now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.